Got a question here about LSAT score cancellations in general. I'm wondering how you typically interpret a score cancellation and if you might interpret it differently for July in particular, given that LSAC is giving the incentive to cancel one score to get that free retake.
You know, honestly, here at Drake, if I see one score that's canceled, it's nice if an applicant will just make a quick note in their application about it, whether they, just felt like the test didn't go well and they wanted to cancel the score, or if they were absent from the test, perhaps they were sick or some circumstances came up that prevented them from getting to the test site, or a reason that they needed to cancel. It's nice to just have a quick sentence or two included that explains that. Although just one cancellation or absenteeism isn't going to cause us big concern. I think where we would start to, wonder a little or perhaps have concern is if we see multiple cancellations or absenteeisms.
Certainly. And the cancellations and absenteeisms, for the most part, they're quite avoidable. I mean, what you can withdraw from the LSAT even the day before, if you're not feeling ready, law schools will never know that you were registered for that test date. So an absenteeism, in my opinion, should never happen unless, let's say, you woke up the morning of or something happened on the way to the test center that was unavoidable. And of course, there are contingency plans one can have, but that would be the only case, in my opinion, where that should ever even be a possibility. But the cancellations, I think July might be unique because LSAC is giving that incentive to cancel. But for other test administrations overall, I think maybe one cancellation is fine, but otherwise don't take it until you feel ready. Because you never know what could happen in the future that might require cancellation, like if the fire alarm goes off or the marching band's outside and you just can't overcome that obstacle. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.